Space. Space actually required when you want to communicate with a group of people or an organization about a topic, project, or shared interest, then we need to create a space. Now the question is how to create a space. Just open the Google Chat app, and if you click here, then you can see there is an option is create a space. Now provide the space name like IT, then create. The space is created. Now you can add the members here. Just click here, then like you can add Jumpo in this space. Just you can add him as well. Just then click add. Then you can open the email of members, and you can see they received an email invitation to join. Just open it and join IT. Now you can see 3 members is joined in this space. Thank you for watching.